everyone, welcome to Sammy Fragrances. This is Sam. I know my channel is mostly about fragrance, but today I want to review about the Louis Vuitton Odyssey Messenger PM that I have just bought from the store. And unfortunately, during the pandemic, there's shortage of box, so I don't get any box with it today, but the lady is wrote on the receipt and just say come back in a month or so, so she will give me a box. And this is the dust bag of it, and this is how the bag looks like, and it's Odyssey Messenger PM, so it's small. And outside there's zipper, something for you to put thing in, and inside there are iPad size pocket and two flat pockets in here. I'm not sure if you can see it from the video, but this is all the tag that came with it. And that's what it is. And I'm going to, well, I don't want to do it out right now, but this is how it would look like on me. I can just wear it like this. Probably Fendi, but I can make it longer. That's how it look like. And it is on the back. There's no pocket on the back. And this is the main second pattern after the square one. Well, thank you for watching and have a great day, everyone. Please subscribe and press like for this video. Thank you. Bye.